Telugu movie Cinema Bandi released yesterday on Netflix. The name of the movie Cinema Bandi means cinema vehicle that refers to the vehicles that announce upcoming films in villages, portraying the story of an auto rickshaw driver who finds a camera on the back seat of his auto and then goes on to dream of making a movie with it, assembling the crew. Cinema Bandi is a movie that is simple but sweet. Termed by the director as a note to the filmmakers, Cinema Bandi mostly hits the right chords, and at a time when regional cinema is making way at the center stage, this film is definitely going to make a mark on the international audience. Let's take a look at some of those areas where Cinema Bandi shines. The first is the acting department. No such big name in the movie, and that's what works in the favor of the film. Cinema Bandi would not have had that same impact if it would have gone for any big name in the cast. All the actors fit perfectly in the setup of the movie. Maridesh Babu, Ganapati, Veer Babu, all were perfect in their roles. But it was manga. For anime fans, it is the name of a character in the movie and not the manga they may be thinking about or what I also first thought of. Yes, manga represented the strong woman of our villages who is so very luminous and vigilant. And then Dadaji. Having only one dialogue in the whole movie, he, by his mere presence, creates an impact of his own. One is the background setting of the movie. The movie is set in a village on Andhra Karnataka border, a village of nearly 20 families. It works quite good for the film. It somewhat gives that raw feel to the movie, which is the USP of Cinema Bandi. Well, I watched the movie with subtitles. There were some people on the internet who were very excited about the dialect of the movie. So naturally, it would have been more fun for the people knowing Telugu. That one area in which it creates a major impact is the synthesis of art cinema with mainstream cinema. The director of Cinema Bandi, Praveen Kandregula, talked about making movies that fulfill the needs of both the audiences. Cinema Bandi feels like that. It's not a mainstream movie as there are no such action scenes or dance numbers. Its story on paper also looks quite simple. The film runs at a constant pace with its story and the humor that has been inserted therein. Now, here, some viewers can term this movie as simple, but it is that simplicity which is liked by other people. It carries a theme with it that everyone is a filmmaker at heart, and this is where it gives you a feel about an art movie, carrying a message with sprinkles of humor. This is the thing that is trending right now. The length of the movie is close to 100 minutes, and that's good. With a simple story and sticking to the theme of the movie, the duration seems apt. The thing which I personally liked about Cinema Bandi was the optimism shown throughout the movie. By just getting a camera, people of the village start thinking of making a movie with it, which in turn, according to them, will earn millions of rupees, and with that money, they would sort out all the problems of their village. The movie shows that even the simple villagers have the dream of bringing out reforms in their vicinity, and this simplicity of the people catches up with the emotions of the viewers. This is true optimism where you think of best things that can happen to you. There were some problems in the village, but mainly the auto driver thinks that they will be over very soon. The other villagers, who were earlier not very fond of the idea of making a film, later support it in their own ways as they start sharing a common dream. So there is nothing wrong happening in the movie, and all is going good and smooth. Cinema Bandi is a movie for which viewers will not have polarizing reactions about, such as one who will like it too much or the other who will not like it. It's a movie everyone will like, the difference being just that someone will like it more and the others less. Was the movie to bring out the filmmaker or the film lover inside you? So that was the video, guys. If you liked it, do smash that like. Comment down below what you think about Cinema Bandi and its simplicity. Subscribe the channel for more fun content and do share it with your friends and family. Peace out.